Bonjour tout le monde. Good day everyone. Je suis Arpita Garg. I am Arpita Garg. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre 15 objets dans une classe. Répétez, 15 objets dans une classe. Okay? 15 means 15. Objet means objects. Dans means in. Une classe. Class means a class. Means basically in this video, we are going to study or learn the name of 15 common objects which are found in a classroom. You understand, no? What is a classroom? A classroom where a teacher teaches. That's right. So we have pen, pencil, etc. So what do we call these objects which are found in a classroom in French? We learn that today. Okay, so let us start. The first one is table. We have no table and chair for the student to sit, right? So table in French is the same as in English, spelling wise, but not pronunciation wise. Pronunciation will be table. What it will be? Table. Okay. So we have table in a classroom, which is known as table. Next we have chair. If we have table, then we obviously have the chair, right? So chair in French is chaise. Listen again, chaise. Okay. So we have table means table and chaise means chair. Très bien. Moving on to the next, we have a blackboard. Obviously, we'll have a blackboard where the teacher will write. No. So a blackboard in French is called tableau noir. Listen again, tableau noir. Now I'll split it for your understanding. Tableau means a board, okay? E-A-U, very important. The sound of E-A-U in French is O, okay? So it is tableau. That was table, T-A-B-L-E, but it is tableau, means board. And noir, the sound of O-I in French is va, so it is noir. And noir means it is a color, it means black, okay? So when we have a blackboard in a class, it is tableau noir. Got it? Similarly, in case of a blackboard, sometimes we have a green board, right? So it will be tableau, same, tableau vert. Vert means green in French. Okay, so green is a color and it is called vert in French. So we have tableau noir means blackboard and we have tableau vert which means green board. Okay, and now someone may ask, what is a whiteboard called in French? Though I have not mentioned it here, I'll tell you. It is tableau blanc. B-L-N-B-L-A-N-C. Tableau blanc. Blanc means white. Okay. So till now we learned about four objects which are found in a classroom. The first one was table. What is table called in French? Très bien. It is table. Then we had chair. Chair in French is chaise. Very good. Then we have a blackboard. Blackboard is tableau noir. Then we have a green board. Green board is tableau vert. Okay, very good. Now moving on to the next. Obviously, there will be pen, pencil, etc. So a pencil in French is crayon. Listen again, crayon. Okay, crayon, you can just connect it with the crayons color we used, right, in our childhood. That is that, crayon. Okay, so pencil is crayon. And pen is stylo, not stylo. Stylo is the pronunciation in English. In French, it is stylo. And this can be correlated with the word stylus. Okay, so it is stylo. Pencil is crayon and pen is stylo. Bravo. Okay, so what did we learn till now? We learned table means, very good, table. Chair is chaise. Blackboard is tableau noir and green board is tableau vert. Pencil means crayon and pen means stylo. Excellent. Moving on, we have obviously if there is a pen, pencil, there will be eraser, right? So what is eraser in French? It is gomme. What is it? Gomme. Okay. Then we'll have a sharpener, and sharpener is known as taille crayon. What is it? Taille crayon. Okay. Then we have a ruler. Ruler means a scale which we use in common words. Okay. So ruler. Ruler means regular. What is it? Regular. Très bien. Before moving on, we just give a quick recapitulation of what did we learn till now. Okay. So we have, now I'll give you random words. You give me the answers. We have table. Very good. Table. Chair. Chaise. Pencil. That's right. Crayon. Pen. Excellent. Stylo. Eraser. We have gomme. Then we did blackboard. It is tableau noir. Sharpener. It is taille crayon. Ruler. Règle. And green board, which is tableau vert. Excellent. Now moving on to the next, we have notebook. Obviously, there will be a notebook in which the student writes, right? So notebook means cahier, not cahier. The sound of H will be silent. So it is cahier. Okay. And book means livre. What does the book mean in French? Livre. Okay. Très bien. Now next one, we have a calculator. Students use calculator for performing calculations, right? So it is very easy to learn. Calculator in French is calculatrice. Listen again. Calculatrice. Okay. There's a slight modification in the spelling of the calculator and it becomes calculatrice. Okay. Then we have a dictionary which students use for their reference, for checking the meanings of some words. So a dictionary in French is dictionnaire. What is it? Dictionnaire. Okay. Très bien. Moving on to the next, we have a pencil box. Obviously, there will be a pencil box in which the students keep their pen, pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, etc. So a pencil box in French is trousse. Trousse. What is it? Trousse. Okay. Then we have a compass. Compass in French is compass. What is it? Compass. Okay. Très bien. So in this video, we learned about 15 objects which are present in a classroom and how to call them in French. So we'll repeat one by one. The first one we had is table, which is tableau. Excuse me, it is table. Very good. Then we have chair, which is chaise. Then we have pen, which is très bien, stylo. Then we have pencil, which is crayon. Then we have ruler, which is règle. Then we have sharpener, which is taille crayon. Then we have eraser, which is gomme in French. Then we have blackboard, which is tableau noir. Then we have a green board, which is tableau vert. Then we have a compass, which is compas. Okay. Then we have a pencil box, which is trousse in French. Then we have a notebook, which is cahier. Very good. Then we have a book, which is livre. Excellent. Okay. So that was all for today. In today's video, we learned the names of cans, that is 15 objects which are found in the classroom. Thank you so much for watching. A bientôt.